you doing here? Just read the cues? Oh, okay. Hi, this is Marcus Dougherty, and today I will be making something very special. Not only is it gluten-free, not only is it Italian, but it also tastes really good. So, let's get cooking! Wait, I probably shouldn't wear this. Can you give me the... Yeah, yes. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's not where the stains are. Okay, ready? Set. Whoa, I didn't think that would actually work. Can you hand me the... Yeah, right, yeah, please, yeah. Oh, thank you. Do I do this the same way? I do? Okay. So right, okay, yeah. What the heck? How does this work? I need something else, okay. Let's see. Will this actually work? What? Whoa, what? How did this get on there? Feel a little parched from all that talking. What the heck? Well, let's get cooking. Okay, first we're heading over to the food processor to mix our first ingredients. 1 2/3 cup of brown rice flour. Put that in there, just all at once. 1/2 cup of tapioca flour. Just put it right around there. Mix it all in. 1 tablespoon of gluten flour. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so first you just put this on. Okay, you're gonna set it for pulse until it's all mixed up. Okay. And that's it for these first 3 ingredients. So now for the wet ingredients. First, we're gonna get olive oil out of your pantry. Now we're gonna get 4 large eggs, just like this. So now, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Well, yeah, let it drizzle into there. And we're gonna crack the 4 eggs and put them in here. So I just like that. Now we're gonna pulse it for about 10 seconds, I say. Just, yeah, that's pretty good. Looks pretty good for now, and that's it for. Okay, so now we're gonna knead the dough on the counter. But first I like to just sprinkle just a little bit of flour on the counter first. Then we get the dough. And we put it into a ball. Just put it all on there. And just scrape it out of the food processor. So make sure you have some flour on your hands so it doesn't stick. Now we're gonna knead it on the counter. Okay, now that you kneaded the dough, you're gonna cut it into 7 equal slices. Okay, so now you can roll each piece into a 4 by 4 inch square with the roller. So now that I've gotten my flattened piece of dough, I'm going to put it through the dough flattener about 2 or 3 times. And then you're going to fold the ends in and put it through 2 or more times before it flattens out all the way. Make sure you put the open side in when you put it through. Now we're going to put it through the cutter. To cook the noodles, bring 4 quarts of water to a boil. Then add the noodles and let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the noodles are soft and tender, you're going to drain them in the sink and then return them to the pot. Now you can add any sauce that you want, but make sure you always add salt if you're not going to add any type of sauce. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching Cooking with Stringfellow.